Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the Today Machine channel.
The artillery shell manufacturing industry is a critical component of the global defense sector, with demand rising in recent years due to geopolitical tensions. Globally, the market for artillery shells is expected to grow from $7.8 billion in 2022 to around $13.3 billion by 2029, achieving a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 7.9%. The demand for artillery shells, especially in NATO countries, has been increasing amid ongoing conflicts and heightened security needs.
Artillery shells typically range from 105 millimeters to 155 millimeters in caliber, with the 155 millimeter shell being the most common among NATO forces. Producing these munitions involves several complex manufacturing stages, including forging, machining, heat treatment, and assembly. Each shell can take approximately 4 to 8 hours to produce, depending on caliber and specifications, with production facilities often operating 24/7 to meet demand.
Countries like the United States, Russia, and China are the largest manufacturers, with facilities capable of producing thousands of rounds daily. For example, the United States is ramping up production to over 90,000 rounds per month by 2025. To support both its own military and international allies.
The industry faces supply chain challenges, particularly for raw materials like steel and explosive compounds. However, investment in automation and advanced manufacturing technologies, such as CNC machining and precision heat treatments, is helping to increase production efficiency while maintaining high standards of quality and safety. Polska is a leader in development, technology, manufacturing, and trade, embodying a deep tradition and continuous growth in the defense and precision engineering sectors. With a legacy rooted in the production of military equipment, Polska has evolved from a historical munitions manufacturer into a state-of-the-art enterprise recognized for its advanced machining capabilities and precision assembly.
The company's cutting-edge manufacturing facilities feature a highly developed and sophisticated machine park, known for its impressive technological breadth and efficiency in complex manufacturing tasks. With specialized equipment, the facility can perform diverse and intricate machining operations that meet the stringent requirements of modern military and industrial clients. Top-tier inspection stations at every phase of production ensure product excellence, employing precision measurements and rigorous quality standards to uphold their reputation for durability and reliability.
A defining aspect of operations is their meticulous assembly process. Following strict procedural guidelines, each component is carefully installed and subjected to exhaustive testing procedures to guarantee functionality, endurance, and performance. This dedication to quality extends beyond manufacturing into the realms of repair and modernization, where Polska and STV sister company continue the legacy of Czech defense manufacturing.
In collaboration with Sichuan facilities, the facility specializes in the repair and modernization of various ground military technologies, including the BVP-1 and BVP-2 armored vehicles and the T-55 tank. These upgrades enhance the performance and service life of these iconic machines, adapting them to meet the demands of contemporary military standards. This combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology ensures that the facility can both preserve and improve the operational capabilities of essential military assets.
The company also produces high-quality small-caliber ammunition and has developed the M17 assault rifle, contributing to the company's comprehensive portfolio of defense products. The company's journey from a historic munitions factor to a fully integrated modern defense contractor highlights a century of innovation and adaptation.
The production of artillery shells demands high precision, robustness, and efficiency, relying heavily on specialized forging machines and CNC machines to achieve the required standards in large volumes. These machines play distinct yet complementary roles, each contributing to different stages of production and ensuring that the final product meets strict military specifications.
Forging machines in artillery shell production.
Forging machines are foundational to the artillery shell manufacturing process. They create the initial shape of the shell by deforming metal under high-pressure conditions, a method that ensures a durable and resilient final product. Typically, a billet or blank made of steel, brass, or specialized alloy is heated to between 900 degrees Celsius and 1,200 degrees Celsius, 1,652 degrees Fahrenheit to 2,192 degrees Fahrenheit in preparation for forging. A hydraulic press or mechanical forging hammer, applying forces as high as 6,000 tons, shapes the metal into the basic form of the shell casing. This process improves the metal's grain structure, eliminating voids and creating a denser, stronger shell capable of withstanding extreme pressures upon firing. Rheinmetall DeMille Munition, a leader in medium and large caliber ammunition, specializes in artillery, mortar, and infantry systems, as well as advanced plant engineering. Demonstrating superior reach, a G6 howitzer with a 52 caliber gun set a new standard by propelling a conventional 155 mm shell to an impressive 76 kilometers. Additionally, the PZH 2000 self-propelled howitzer, equipped with a 52 caliber gun, achieved a range of 67 kilometers, while a 39 caliber field howitzer attained a distance of 54 kilometers.
With a passion for advancing technology, RDM is a global market leader focused on environmentally friendly mobility and security systems. Across its sites, including specialized facilities in Somerset West, Allergical, Boxberg, and Boskope, RDM's skilled teams develop and produce world-class artillery ammunition.
As the industry's leading system house for indirect fire, RDM emphasizes future-focused artillery solutions to support military personnel worldwide. RDM's long-range capabilities and record-breaking performances underscore its commitment to delivering advanced, reliable munitions that redefine battlefield possibilities.
Hellenic Defense Systems SAEAS embodies a rich legacy of defense excellence, specializing in cutting-edge munitions and weapon systems. EAS was formed through the merger of Hellenic Arms Industry SA and the Greek Powder and Cartridge Company SA, a union that consolidated their expertise to produce a wide array of high-quality defense products for global armed forces.
One standout product in their lineup is the 40 mm by 53 high-explosive dual-purpose tracer, high-velocity HEDPT/HV cartridge. This versatile ammunition is designed for robust performance in various field conditions, embodying the innovation and precision EAS is known for. EAS is a prominent global supplier, collaborating with over 40 countries, and trusted for its capacity to deliver reliable munitions, precision engineering, and durable weapon systems.
EAS's offerings span beyond small-caliber rounds to include specialized ammunition metal parts, metal components for advanced IRIS-T and Stinger warheads, and components for 20 mm to 30 mm barrels and bolts. They also provide an array of infantry weapons and mortar systems that are rigorously manufactured and assembled in-house. For medium and large caliber ammunition, EAS is a leading source, delivering high-performance heat ammunition and air combat bombs designed to meet stringent military requirements.
The company's capabilities also extend to the maintenance and assembly of complex missile systems, including the Patriot missile system, and the production of launchers and assembly of the Milan anti-tank systems. With a focus on quality, EAS also operates in propellants production, ensuring that all aspects of munitions are held to the highest standards.
Central to EAS's success is its emphasis on continuous training, accumulated experience, and a highly skilled scientific workforce. Leveraging state-of-the-art machinery and advanced technology, EAS has established itself as a global defense provider whose know-how is its true asset. This dedication to innovation and excellence has positioned EAS as a reliable partner in the defense sector, committed to advancing military readiness through precision and expertise in the defense industry. Ammunition manufacturing is a complex process that involves precision and adherence to strict standards. This process typically includes the production of key components: the bullet, case, gunpowder, and primer. Each of these components undergoes a series of meticulous steps to ensure quality and consistency.
Bullet production?
Bullets are made from materials like lead and copper, chosen for their density and malleability. To create a bullet, a copper cup is inserted into a transfer press, where it is drawn into a tube shape with a solid bottom. This tube is then trimmed to the required length and shaped further using custom-made tools, allowing for specialized designs like boat tails, which enhance aerodynamic performance. Norma also uses unique bonding processes to attach the lead core to the copper jacket, resulting in bullets that retain their weight and maintain effectiveness at various distances. This bond helps ensure that the bullet delivers optimal impact energy upon striking a target.
Case manufacturing.
The brass case is equally crucial as it holds the bullet, gunpowder, and primer together. The manufacturing process for cases begins with brass cups, which are repeatedly heated, annealed, and stretched into elongated tubes. These tubes are trimmed to the desired length, and then the primer pocket is formed. A head stamp is applied to designate the brand and caliber, ensuring traceability and quality standards. Norma emphasizes the hardness of the brass, enabling the case to withstand high pressures while remaining flexible enough to be reloaded multiple times.
Primer insertion.
The primer is inserted into a small pocket in the base of the case. It is a highly sensitive component responsible for igniting the gunpowder when struck by the firing pin. The primer's consistency is critical for reliable ignition, and therefore stringent quality controls are in place to ensure uniformity across all manufactured primers.
Loading gunpowder and assembly.
Once the bullet, case, and primer are ready, gunpowder is loaded into each case. At facilities like Norma, safety is a top priority, with gunpowder stored in secure areas equipped with reinforced ceilings and specially designed tubes to contain and direct any accidental explosions safely upward. The bullet is seated into the case, and the entire cartridge is checked for exact specifications such as weight and length to ensure consistent performance.
Quality control and testing.
Quality control is vital throughout the entire manufacturing process. Components and assembled cartridges are inspected and measured to avoid any deviations. Advanced laser-guided technology is now used alongside traditional manual inspections to ensure each cartridge meets strict tolerances. Norma, for instance, tests every batch of ammunition using both indoor ranges and climate-controlled rooms to simulate extreme conditions. This comprehensive testing provides ballistic data and ensures each cartridge performs reliably. Creating 9mm and .357 bullet jackets from copper tubing involves a precise, multi-step process that transforms simple copper tubes into high-quality bullet jackets. The process begins with 3/8" copper tubing, from which one end is folded over at roughly a 45 degrees angle. This fold initiates the end rounding stage, shaping the tubing's end to accommodate the next steps.
In the jacket reducing stage, the cup's diameter is reduced to ensure a snug fit, a crucial feature for bullet stability and precision. The custom-made press and dies, featuring a durable carbide insert, ensure consistent shaping through each cycle. Finally, in the end flattening process, a 4140 steel prototype die closes up the bottom, creating a seamless, well-formed jacket.
This efficient setup, designed entirely with custom tools, allows for streamlined production of bullet jackets that meet the exacting standards needed for performance and reliability in both 9mm and .357 calibers.
In brass cartridge manufacturing, the process starts with raw materials like glass discs or tombac sheets, which have been the standard materials for over a century. The first step involves creating a basic cup shape by applying significant force with a hammer, shaping the brass into a preliminary form. Post-shaping, the metal is heated to relieve stress and enhance durability.
Once shaped, each bass case undergoes strict quality control to ensure structural integrity and optimal hardness along its length. Samples from each production batch are tested to ensure consistency, measuring hardness at multiple points. This thorough inspection process ensures that each batch maintains the same high standards.
Advanced case testing equipment, although sometimes based on older technology, provides dimensional checks, rejecting any defective cases. These measurements confirm precision and consistent cartridge case quality, which is especially valued by precision shooters and reloaders.
The bullet-making phase follows, where additional components such as primers are carefully inserted into the cartridge case. This assembly is executed with high-speed precision equipment, ensuring each bullet aligns with quality standards. Lubricants, including grease, sawdust, and even olive oil, are used strategically to reduce friction and maintain smooth operations during the assembly process.
The final assembly includes adding the correct amount of propellant powder to each cartridge before the components are encased in brass. The rounds then go through a final packaging phase, where they're prepared for distribution. Each completed cartridge embodies reliability and precision, reflecting Norma's century-old commitment to quality in ammunition manufacturing.
The STV Scorpio 0.223 rem and 5.56 x 45mm cartridges undergo a highly controlled manufacturing process, starting with the strict inspection of all raw materials to ensure quality standards are met.
Production begins with the case cup draw process, where brass cups are carefully drawn to form preliminary case shapes. These cups are then subjected to low-temperature annealing, which reduces hardness and enhances ductility for further processing. Following annealing, the drawn cups undergo heading and neck calibration to achieve precise case dimensions. Next, each case is machined and trimmed to meet exact length specifications, then undergoes induction annealing at the neck to ensure consistent strength and flexibility. Between stages, all components are degreased, rinsed, and dried, maintaining cleanliness for optimal function and longevity.
Simultaneously, bullet production begins with the cleaning and brushing of lead slugs. Bullet jackets are then drawn, and bullets are assembled through careful seating of the lead core into the jacket. During both bullet and case production, optical checks and sorting processes verify dimensional accuracy, consistency, and visual quality.
In the final assembly, the cases are primed, powder is accurately dosed, and bullets are seated to form complete cartridges. Each cartridge undergoes optical checks and sorting to catch any potential defects. Additionally, ballistic performance tests ensure cartridges meet performance requirements, and random visual and dimensional checks further confirm product integrity.
After passing ballistic checks, cartridges are sealed and packed, ready for final inspection. STV Scorpio line includes the .223 rem FMJ 55GR, 5.56 X45 M193, and 5.56 X45 SS109 cartridges, each crafted with precision to meet specific standards. The detailed steps and stringent quality control ensure reliability, accuracy, and performance in every Scorpio cartridge produced. Ammunition undergoes a meticulous production process to ensure high-quality cartridges suited for both commercial and NATO specifications. The manufacturing begins with the thorough inspection of all input materials, setting a standard for quality and consistency right from the start. The case production involves several key steps, starting with drawing the case cup, heading, and stamping, followed by pressing the primer pocket and piercing the flash hole. Each of these processes ensures the case structure is robust and uniform.
Case machining then refines the shape, and final trimming guarantees the case meets precise specifications. Bullet production commences simultaneously, starting with the cutting and forming of lead slugs, which serve as the bullet's core. A bullet jacket is then drawn, encasing the lead slug to form the bullet itself. This assembly undergoes rigorous dimensional and weight checks to ensure each bullet aligns with STV Technologies' high standards.
Polishing gives the metal parts a clean finish, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. An optical inspection of cases and bullets follows, identifying any imperfections. Once cleared, cases move to the priming stage, where the primer is carefully seeded. Precision powder dosing ensures consistent cartridge performance, followed by the final assembly of the cartridge, where the bullet, powder, and case are joined.
Each assembled cartridge undergoes optical checks to confirm integrity and is sorted by quality. For NATO-designated cartridges, an additional sealing process provides increased reliability in various operational conditions. Ballistic performance checks validate each batch, ensuring that Scorpio cartridges meet strict standards for velocity, accuracy, and consistency.
Packaging follows, with cartridges arranged for safe transport and storage. Random visual and dimensional checks occur throughout production to maintain quality across the batch. The Scorpio line offers commercial 9mm FMJ cartridges in two weight specifications, an 8 grams NATO and a 7.5 grams NATO option. STV Technologies' attention to detail in every step of production makes Scorpio 9x19mm cartridges a reliable choice for shooters and security forces alike.
The art and science of gunmaking?
The hallmark of craftsmanship is in the intricate balance between design, functionality, and aesthetics. The factory, located in London, is a testament to traditional British gunmaking, and every gun is made under one roof. The commitment to producing shotguns and rifles with exceptional quality is evident at each stage, from the selection of materials to the finishing touches of engraving.
Design and blueprinting.
Every shotgun and rifle begins as a carefully thought-out design. Engineers and artisans collaborate to create blueprints that reflect the gun's intended balance, weight, and precision. This design phase incorporates both aesthetic elements, like engraving patterns, and practical features, such as the gun's balance and recoil. Each blueprint meticulously maps out details, including action type, triggers, safety mechanisms, length, weight, and custom engraving styles.
Barrel crafting.
The barrels are forged from high-quality steel, a critical process ensuring durability, precision, and safety. At here, barrels are produced with precision drilling, followed by a process called lapping to smooth out the interior, which is essential for accuracy. In Royal over and under shotgun, for instance, the 30-inch multi-choke barrels exemplify this commitment to quality. Each barrel undergoes rigorous testing, including superior nitro-proofing to certify safety and reliability under high-pressure conditions.
Action and lock mechanisms.
One of the defining aspects of a shotgun is the action mechanism. For the Royal grade shotgun, the facility employs a side lock ejector system which is known for its precision and strength. This mechanism, hand-assembled and regulated, ensures smooth, reliable performance. With hand-detachable locks, users can clean and maintain the gun easily. Each mechanism is designed to fire smoothly with minimal recoil, and engineering innovations ensure that the top barrel fires first, maximizing control and precision.
Stock selection and shaping.
The stock is crucial for both aesthetic and functional reasons. The facility selects only the finest grade wood, often deluxe walnut, known for its durability and beauty. The wood is hand-shaped to fit the user's shoulder perfectly, ensuring balance and comfort. Stocks for the 20-bore Sporting Deluxe pair, for example, are designed with a half-pistol grip for ease and stability, and the lengths are customizable, allowing for future adjustments. This attention to the stock enhances the gun's overall handling, making it an extension of the shooter's body.
Engraving and finishing.
A hallmark of firearms is the intricate engraving that adorns each shotgun and rifle. The royal scroll pattern featured on their flagship models is emblematic of the company's British heritage and meticulous attention to detail. Skilled engravers handcraft each pattern, with designs that include acanthus leaf scrolls on deluxe models. Inlays such as gold initials, safeties marked with SAFE, and cocking indicators add elegance and functionality. The final finish includes a brush-bright polish that enhances the beauty of the steel and complements the artistry of the engraving.
Assembly and fitting.
The facility's master craftsmen then assemble each part with precision. This phase is critical, as each component must fit perfectly to ensure optimal functionality. The assembly process involves careful alignment of the barrel, action, and stock. Even minor misalignments can impact the gun's performance, so every fitting is checked by hand. Each gun is assembled to offer flawless handling, with checks to ensure that the balance, weight, and swing are as designed.
Testing and proofing.
Before leaving the factory, each shotgun and rifle is extensively tested to ensure safety and performance. The testing includes shooting trials, during which the craftsmen assess recoil, balance, and accuracy. Dedication to quality is evident here. Every firearm is subject to rigorous proofing under the Superior Nitro-Proof standard, verifying that it can withstand high-pressure firing. Only after meeting all these standards does a gun receive the stamp of approval.
Final inspection and customer customization.
Each firearm undergoes a final inspection, where craftsmen ensure every detail aligns with exacting standards. This includes a thorough review of engravings, finishes, and mechanical function. Custom requests from clients are also fulfilled at this stage, from personalized engravings to adjusting the stock length and grip. The result is a shotgun or rifle that is entirely bespoke, crafted to the owner's preferences and delivering a personal touch to each weapon.